Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I recently looking for the voltage stabilizer for my new 650 liter side by side refrigerator and found this one best, the Vigard VG 150 Supreme voltage stabilizer. Actually the new refrigerator comes with inbuilt power surge or voltage stabilizer, but I choose to install external for the safety. Actually I have 4 Vigard voltage stabilizer in my home for the TV, AC and etc. So I purchased from this brand without looking for the other one. So now let's talk value. If you check the official Vigard website or Amazon, this usually goes for around 4200 rupees. However, I managed to snag this for just 3400 on Flipkart during an offer period. And talking about the package or the weight of the product, it weighs around 3.9 kg or almost 4 kg, so it feels very solid and well built. So this particular product is heavy duty and it's designed specifically for refrigerators above 600 liters and can actually support units up to 1000 liters, including the large deep freezers. Inside we have the stabilizer, the user manual and the warranty card, some screws and installation guide. So make sure you have registered your product for the peace of mind by scanning the QR code given on the warranty card. Here are the key specifications of the product. Actually notice the time delay is around 3 minutes. If this unboxing helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you.